Introducing the 2024 Apple MacBook Air 15-inch laptop, a blend of elegance and power. This sleek device boasts a stunning Retina display, delivering vibrant colors and razor-sharp text. Powered by the latest M3 chip, it offers lightning-fast performance and impressive battery life, making it perfect for work and play. With its fanless design, the MacBook Air remains whisper quiet, even under heavy workloads. The spacious 15-inch screen provides ample real estate for multitasking, while the new Magic Keyboard ensures a comfortable and responsive typing experience. Ideal for on-the-go professionals and creatives, the MacBook Air 15-inch is incredibly lightweight and portable. Experience the future of laptops with the 2024 MacBook Air, where innovation meets elegance. Introducing the Apple AirPods Max, the pinnacle of wireless over-ear headphones. Crafted with precision, they deliver stunning high-fidelity audio with an immersive listening experience. Featuring active noise cancellation, the AirPods Max let you escape into your music, while transparency mode keeps you aware of your surroundings. With a seamless design and memory foam ear cushions, they offer unparalleled comfort. Enjoy up to 20 hours of listening with high-performance battery life. Elevate your audio experience with the Apple AirPods Max, where innovation meets elegance. Introducing the Apple Watch Series 9 GPS 45mm smartwatch, your ultimate companion for health, fitness, and connectivity. With a stunning always-on Retina display, this watch offers precise workout tracking, advanced health monitoring, and seamless integration with your iPhone. Enjoy features like blood oxygen measurement, ECG, and mindfulness apps, all while staying connected with calls, messages, and notifications. The powerful S9 chip ensures smooth performance, and its durable swim-proof design keeps up with your active lifestyle. Elevate your everyday with the Apple Watch Series 9 GPS 45mm smartwatch, innovation at your wrist. Introducing the wireless charger iPhone charging station 3-in-1 charger stand, the ultimate solution for all your Apple device charging needs. This sleek and stylish charging stand is designed to power up your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously. With fast wireless charging technology, you can enjoy a clutter-free workspace and ensure your devices are always ready to go. The stand features a non-slip design and is built with high-quality materials to provide stability and durability. Say goodbye to tangled cables and keep your devices organized and fully charged with the 3-in-1 wireless charger stand. Introducing the Lysen Wireless Charging Station 15W Super for Apple devices. Experience the future of charging with ultra-fast 15W power, sleek design, and seamless compatibility with your iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch. Simplify your life and power up with Lysen, where innovation meets convenience.